Ring makes it easy for installation, and everything we need is inside the box. Follow these steps for a smooth setup. Turn off the electrical switch or breaker. This step is crucial to prevent the risk of electrical shock. Remove the existing floodlight, if applicable. Depending on the brand and model, you may need a longer screwdriver for this step. Install the metal bracket. Use 2 screws to secure it at both edges. If you don't have existing screws, the multiple sets of screws provided come in very handy here. Choose one that fits well from bags A to F. Install the plastic mounting plate. Use screws from bags B or C. Hang the light on the plastic mounting plate. This frees up your hands to connect the wires. Connect the wires using wire nuts. Match the hot wire, black to black. Neutral wire, white to white. And ground wire, green to the ground wire. Mount the light to the junction box. Carefully tuck the wires into the junction box. Secure the light with 2 hex nuts, using the multi-tool hex nut screwdriver to tighten them. Restore power. Turn the electrical switch or breaker back on. Set up the Ring camera. Follow the instructions in the Ring app to complete the setup.